Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving one-person family with my smiley heart, Kurt's energies. Come on guys in my house. I'm waiting for you to carry you soon in a new journey of everybody in your pocket. If I'm your soul traveler, Kurt's energies. Okay friends, please listen carefully as today I am going to tell you about few beautiful learnable quotes of everybody feels himself inside your pocket. Let's go. Some of us think holding on makes us strong, but sometimes it's letting go. Words do not express thoughts very well. They always become a little different immediately after they are expressed, a little distorted, a little flesh. I have been and still I am a seeker, but I have ceased to question stars and books. I have begun to listen to the teachings my blood whispered to me. If you hate a person, you hate something in him that is a part of yourself. What isn't part of ourself doesn't disturb us. I have always believed, and I still believe that whatever good or bad fortune may come our way, we can always give it meaning and transform it into something of value. Within you, there is stillness and a sanctuary to which you can retreat at any time and be yourself. The bird fights its way out of the egg. The egg is the world, and who would be bound must destroy a world. Our mind is capable of passing beyond the dividing lines we have drawn for it, beyond the pairs of the opposite of which the world consists. Other new insights begin. In each individual, the spirit is made flesh. In each one of the whole creation suffer. In each one a Savior is crucified. Learn what is to be taken seriously and laugh at the rest. The smallest deed is better than the grandest intention. Little by little one travels far. Great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. Success is sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. It is the small everyday deeds of ordinary folk that keep the darkness at bay. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the one step, not with the giant leap. In last, I will suggest you that one day when the darkest night will be end and the sun will rise and your dreams become true, then everybody feels himself inside your pocket, just doing best ever before. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you. Goodbye, good luck, good energies.
I've always had a way of keeping